Hi, this is Tammy from Rebel Canners, and I have got you the pressure canner video I promised. This is the little one. I found the mural. I found this at a thrift store for $2, and I promised I would tell you what to look for when you get one at a thrift store to know you're getting a good deal. So the first thing I do, I'll take these out, is, oops, there's the other part. I turn it over and I examine the bottom. I make sure that there's no pitting, that it's intact. Look it all over. Make sure that it's all intact, there's no pitting. Make sure that the bottom isn't bowed, that it's still in good shape on the bottom, that it hasn't had an overheating accident. I look to make sure that the parts are there, like weight, double bonus points if the insert is there, and of course you want to have your lid. Handles are very easy to replace. If you look on here, it's one screw on, one screw off. That's it. This one has a little safety lock thing here. I just make sure that that piece is still in there on the murals. Other ones that don't have that. And then if it has the rubber, I bend it and make sure that it's not cracked, that it's still bendable, that it's not hard, and that it's just in good shape. And this one looks almost new. It's perfect. So usable. The only thing on this one I worry about is the safety plug. And at first I thought that the safety plug was, because it's got a little scratch in it, that it might, I don't know if you can see it, let me get it right up there close, might be like hard and not really in good shape. But if I pinch on it in here, I see that it is still really pliable. So actually it's still good. I thought I was going to have to replace it. Went to my local hardware, found the part. I was ecstatic. This one is $3.29. It's interchangeable. Boom, for $2 and then $3.29 I could have a canner that does pints. And it is a cooker canner. If you look always on the bottom of Prestos, they will say canner or cooker, and then you know if you have one that was designed just to be a cooker canner. Sorry, the dog is in her kennel and she's mad I put her up. So then this one, I looked on the inside and you can see it has just a little bit of lime scale. I'll be sure to put some vinegar in my water the first few times when I use it. I wanted to take it to our local extension office and have it tested and videotape that for you, but unfortunately we are in the middle of a really bad snowstorm, and so that's not happening because I'm not driving 30 minutes away to our most closest one that has a certified tester. But some hardware stores do that for you, so check your local hardware store or check with your 4-H extension office, and they can do that for you. So Shia, what are you into? Quit it. So anyway, I'll have a part. I like to keep a few parts on hand, so like I always make sure I have a extra pressure valve and an extra rubber for the ones that I use all the time. I've really only had to replace the rubber ring on 2 canners. One was my mother's 1970s canner that we used so much we just wore it right out. And the other one was one I bought that had not been used. And you could tell it was just so brittle because it hadn't been used at all to keep that rubber pliable. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them at the bottom of this. Shia, stop it. I'm so sorry. At the bottom of this, and be sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Really, I really want comments. I really value them from you. So comment, subscribe, like, follow us on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.